Hi, my name is Spencer Lachele. I am from Cecilia, Louisiana. It's a small town outside of Breaux Bridge or Lafayette. Um, I have been a student at LSU for quite a while. I've worked my entire time. You know, I did. I worked at a salon. I worked as a salesman. I worked, um, you know, as a manager, and finally I joined the military, and I work on computers for them. Decided to come back to school, and I'm a history major. I graduate in August, and then hopefully become a teacher myself. Other than that, I really just do school and work. Um, I like to just, you know, play video games on my computer, um, hang out with my friends and my brother. I have a brother who attends LSU. He'll be graduating soon as well. So that's, really cool. My dad's a police officer in Breaux Bridge. My mom got her master's in education. As far as technology background, I know the basics. I've had a computer my entire life. I built my own. I joined the military, and I am a 3D 1X1, which is a client systems technician. So basically, I am help desk for the military. I work at a combat com. Basically, is a very deployable unit, and what we'll do is we'll go out to any kind of affected area and help with any kind of internet issues. Internet issues that they may have. Other than that, I've used basic Microsoft applications. I'm not very I don't know what's under the hood of a computer, but I can at least fix some parts of it, and I understand the fundamentals. So, other than that, I look forward to the class. I look forward to implementing technology into the classroom and aiding that in instruction and whatnot, because it's just something that is ubiquitous and is involved in every aspect of our life. So, I think it's very important to learn how to introduce it in an educational environment. Um, Beyond that, I'm just excited for the class, and I'm excited to graduate. So, thank you for coming to my TED Talk.